There are some points to consider when mixing resin colors. The most important point is the density and weight of the colors after mixing with the resin. If we have two combinations of ink colors, the ink colors will certainly mix with the colors when they are mixed. If the two combinations are paste colors, the resulting design will resemble a stone design. If both are powder colors, they will mix a little. Regarding the combination of ink and paste colors, it should be noted that the one that has the most weight will settle over time. If we combine these colors together, we will see that the paste color will settle completely. And the combination of ink color with resin will be placed on the combination of paste color with resin.